Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some other stocks to trade for tomorrow and what are the logic behind our analysis. Let's start with Nifty 50. It is in 15 minutes time frame. The market opened around the price range of 15,850 and made a high of 15,893 and a low of 15,799 and closed around the price range of 15,821, which is 27 points lower from the opening price. Let me change into one day time frame. So in one day time frame, we could see that in the last trading session, the market formed a doji candle, and today it formed a kind of bearish candle. So we could see that this acts as a very good resistance, which is 15,900 acts as a very good resistance. So once the market crosses above this price level, we could go for a buy. Until then, we could see how to take the trade for tomorrow. Now I have changed to 15 minutes time frame. So once the market opens tomorrow around the price range of 15,815 to 15,830, that is flat or a little gap down, we could go for a sell. If the candle closes with a bearish candle, we could keep that candle's higher stop loss and go for a sell, and your targets might be 15,770 and 15,730 on the selling side. So once the market opens with a little gap up around the price range of 15,850 and closes with a bullish candle, we could go for a buy, and our target might be the previous highs, which is around 15,890, 15,900, and our second target might be 15,950, which is all-time high. So this is for Nifty 50. Next is Nifty Bank. So today the Nifty Bank opened around the price range of 34,947 and made a high of 30,136 and closed around 34,921, which is just 26 points. So it shows that market is in a sideways. Let us see in one day time frame. In one day time frame, it has formed a doji kind of candle pattern. So the doji candle pattern represents a indecisiveness in the market. So in 15 minutes time frame, we could see that the market has moved around this price range. So once when the market crosses above today's high, which is around 35,136, you could go for a buy, and your targets might be 35,300 and 35,500. Once when the market closes below with a bearish candle at the price range of 34,800, you could go for a sell, and your target might be our previous support, which is 34,600. Let us move to the stocks. Our first stock is Hindustan Unilever. So after a large fall, you could see that the market has fallen drastically. So after a huge fall, the market moved in the sideways. Now it has turning into a kind of reversal pattern, because this is the main support area. So once when the market crosses above price range of 2,353, you could go for a buy, and your target might be 2,363. So once you could go for a sell when the market crosses below 2,338, which is nothing but the low of this bullish pin bar. So once market closes below this candle's low, you could go for a sell by keeping 1:2 risk reward ratio. Our next stock is Britannia. After a trendline breakout, the market moved higher and closed around the price range of 3,481. So if the market opens flat around the price of 3,490 and 3,495 and closes with a bullish candle, keep that candle's low stop loss and go for a buy, and your target will be 3,515. If the market opens flat or little gap down around the price of 3,470 and closes below it, you could go for a sell, and our target might be 3,450. Our next stock is HDFC Life. The HDFC Life on last trading session also, it was in a sideways, and today also it was in a sideways. So this time it was very small region. You could see that I have drawn a box pattern. Once when the price breaks above, which means in the top side, you could go for a buy. In HDFC Life, if the price moves above 667, you could go for a buy, and your target will be 673. And if the market breaks on the bottom of the box, you could go for a sell, which is on the price of 660, and your target will be 657. So this is all about the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market, and all those screenshots have been shared in my Telegram channel. The entry levels and exit levels have been mentioned in the Telegram. You could also use that for your future reference. The Telegram link has been given in the description. You could follow that. It is absolutely free channel. Hope you have liked the video. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading. Thank you.